Okay, boys and girls, we are learning all things division. So on our homework, I gave you about 5 problems to do. I'm going to work through 2 of them with you. And then hopefully you can apply what we talk about in this video to the other questions that you have for homework. So the first problem is number 14, and that is 65 divided by 2. I'm going to show you with both the base 10 blocks and the algorithm or the math way that we do it. I already have my 65 here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got my 2 groups because 65 divided by 2, in this instance, it means how many groups, and then our quotient will be how many members in each group. So in class, we talked about how we think about the dividend as an amount of money, and the divisor is how many people you're going to give it to. If there's any left over, that's remainders, and you get to keep that. So 65 divided by 2, first thing I'm going to do is divide. I'm going to start with the base 10 blocks. I'm going to erase my mistake, first of all. All right. Now I'm going to divide my 10s. 1 for you, 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 1 for you. I'm out of 10s and I've used them all up. Remember, everything has to be fair. Everything has to be fair. All right, I have my 1s. 65, 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you, and 1 left over because it won't fit into one of the 2 groups. So I know that 65 divided by 2 is going to be equal to 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 32 with a remainder of 1. So I can look at my model and I can say, okay, it's 32 with a remainder of 1. Now I'm going to show you the algorithm or the math way to do it. I'm going to rewrite the problem as 65 divided by 2. I'm going to look at this 6 and 65. I know it's a 10. I'm going to probably talk about it as an individual digit for a minute, but I realize it is a 10. I'm going to ask myself, how many groups of 2 can I make in the number 6? 2, 4, 6. 3. I can make 3 groups of 2. So the first step, I'm going to divide. Second step, I'm going to multiply that back out. 3 times 2 equals 6. I'm going to put a 0 here to hold my space. Some people bring it down. I do this to show that that 6 is really a 60. I subtract 5 minus 0, 5. Now my question is 5 divided by 2. How many groups of 2 go into 5? I'm going to divide. I'm going to divide, multiply, subtract. That's my method until I get to either 0 or remainders that are less than the divisor. Okay, so 2 groups. 2 times 2, 4. We'll run out a little bit of space. That's okay. I can go down here. 5 minus 4, 1. Since 1 is less than the divisor, I'm done. And that becomes a remainder. So there's both ways. The base 10 block way that I've shown you, that 65 divided by 2 is 32, remainder 1. Or in our analogy that we talk about in class, if I have $65 to give to 2 different people, and it has to be even, They each get 32, and then I get to keep one. Okay, the other one that we're going to do, that I'm going to do with you in this video, is number 18, 84 divided by 6. I'm going to reset this. And of course, you can use your braining camp at home to help you if you have internet access. All right, so first thing I need is 84. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I will write the problem, which is 84 divided by 6. 84 divided by 6. 84 is our dividend. 6 is our divisor. And our quotient will be the number of members in each group. All right, I am going to go ahead and make a frame with 6 spaces. I guess it wasn't so straight. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I don't have any hundreds. So I'm looking at my tens. I'm going to see if I have enough tens that I can give everybody a 10. Oh, 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So I know everybody can at least have 110. I did my same mistake as I did a minute ago. I forgot I was drawing. Right. 1 for you, 1 for you. Everybody's got to be fair. 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you. All right. So now what do? I still have 24, but I can't really separate those two out. So I'm going to exchange my 10 rods, and I'm going to get 20 units in place of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was one of the rods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I still have 24. Now I'm just going to separate them out. 1 for you, 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 1 for you. Do I have enough to do another round? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then, yeah, I do. 1 for you, 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 1 for you. Okay, now I'm going to see if I've got enough left to give everybody another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then there's more. So I know I have enough for everybody to get one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I've got to see if I've got enough for everybody to get another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this case, I don't get to keep any. I don't have any remainders. But everybody got 10, 11, 12, 13, $14. If I had $84, going to get 6 friends, give it to those people. But it has to be even, so if somebody doesn't get mad. That's how I divide it up, and they each get 14. So I know what my quotient is. I've shown that with my model. We're learning how to do the algorithm. So I'm actually kind of almost working backwards. But I do want to show you how we do it with the algorithm or the math way. I have to rewrite it. 84 divided by 6 Okay, then I'm going to say, all right, how many groups of 6 will fit inside my 8 that's in the tens place? Well, one group of 6 will fit in 8. So I divide, now I'm going to multiply. 1 times 6 equals 6. I'll put my 6 there. I'm going to fill in with a 0. Then I subtract. I divide, multiply, subtract. 4 minus 0, 4. 8 minus 6, 2. Then I'm going to say, well, how many groups of 6 will fit into 24? Or another way to say that is 6 times what gives me 24? Well, if I know my multiplication tables, I know that 6 times 4 gives me 24. So I will put a 4 the ones place. 4 times 6 is 24. When I subtract, I don't have any left. So 84 divided by 6 is 14. That looks a little bit better. That is a 4, not a 9. So you have 3 more problems to do. If you have access to Braining Camp, you can use this to help make sure you have the right quotient. You can also do like we practiced in class with the X's to make your groups, to make sure that you have the correct answer. Anyway, I hope this helps. Try the others on your own, and we'll talk about it tomorrow.